At the start of Iran war, we did take a pause on trading, and we didn't go like super aggressive in it. Other than sharing with you guys that some of the definite I'm looking at, that means crude oil is going to go up, right? And we are looking at today is $90+, right? So if you really plan your trade and make some profits on that, congratulations, right? If not, check back my previous posts and simple questions like if I could did that forecast or did that prediction, right? And you want to learn this skill set, the idea of spending just 15 minutes a day interests you, just drop me a DM, right? So over here on dollar yen, this pair is a bit special, right? So this is the one that I would say a bit mixed signal. It can swing both way. On one end, the war with Iran should turn it a bit more bullish. I know it's weird, but this is how it is. However, the Friday employment, the job results isn't as good, right? So something that you have to watch closely. And my approach over here is that once dollar yen has reached my trading setup, I would look for a trading opportunity as simple as such, right? So I'll just treat it as per normal day, no buyers on this pair, right? So over here, the average is resistance 157.80. If I want to look for a short, I have to wait for my magic candle confirmation to head into sell. Daily chart, you can see that is on the key resistance level as we have seen earlier on. So the same strategy over here. For our chart, if you're looking for a buying opportunity, this trend line over here that I've highlighted is something I want to watch closely. Of course, should the market break and close below this price, pretty normal because this trend line is pretty steep, right? So I'll be watching more closely on the candlesticks movement to read the overall trend. What's interesting is over here, 1 hour chart, right? So what I hope is the market will just bounce on these two ends because these two ends give me 118 pips trading potential. So at the start when I started trading 21 years ago, I sell at the high, buy at the low, right? Pretty simple. And if it fall off the cliff or went above the high price, then I'll just pause my trading, right? So this is the golden trade I'm looking at. The 1 hour chart, I want to trade both end over here. I just wait for the confirmation. I go head into a lower time frame to engage the trade, right? So if this all makes sense to you and you understand stuff when I'm talking, the good thing is once you learn this skill set, you can do it your own, right? Yourself, right? So just drop me a DM if you're interested to pick up this skill set.